morning, guys. Here's your word problem video for Wednesday, September 30th. Okay, let's look at the sentence. I already underlined the first one for you. Who we're talking about is Dylan. Dylan had 4 cats and 2 dogs at home. Okay, so what does Dylan have? He has cats and he has dogs. How many does he have? Make sure you circle both numbers because they are important to us. Okay, a lot of times when they give us 2 numbers, that means it is a part. Okay, then Laura has 1 dog and 5 fish. So who are we talking about? Laura. Good. What does Laura have? She has a dog and some fish. How many does she have? 1 and 5. Okay, Laura says she and Dylan have an equal number of pets. I want you to underline that word equal. What does that mean? Same. You're right. Equal means the same amount. Okay, Dylan thinks he has more. Okay, more means larger, remember? Pets than Laura. Who is right? So your job is to find out who is right. Go ahead and put a check in your read box. Okay, when we're talking about 2 people, remember we divide our paper down the middle. Okay, number bond, number sentence. Okay, when we have a sentence that says he has 4 cats and 2 dogs, we want to draw our picture and label both of them. So I put a D for dogs and a C for cats. Okay, then I went up here and I looked. He had 2 dogs, so I drew 1, 2 dots. Put my numbers inside to check. Then went cats. He has 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm ready to fill in my number bond. I know that dogs is 1 part, cats is 1 part. Okay, so if you need to put your D and your C there, you can. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 and 4. Okay, I want you to think about all the different ways you've learned to count. You can count all of them. You can count on from the bigger number. Okay, or you can simply use your good thinking. Okay, so I'm going to say 4, 5, 6. Dylan had 6 pets. Okay, this is pets. All the pets he had, cats and dogs together. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and trace my number sentence. All right, now we're going to go to Laura. What did Laura have? She had dogs and fish. So I'm going to put a D and an F. How many dogs did she have? 1. How many fish did she have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay. Now, we know that when we have 2 numbers, it gives us our parts. So we're going to say 1 is 1 part, 5 is 1 part. Okay. Now, how can we figure out our total? Count all. Count on. Good thinking. 5, 6. Okay. Then I want you to just trace over your number sentence. Okay, I want you to pay close attention to the equal sign right here. This means 4 plus 2 is the same as 1 plus 5. Okay, so let's see who's right. Is Laura right or Dylan right? Laura says they have the same. Dylan says he has more. Who is right? You're saying Laura's right. You are right. Go ahead and put a check in your draw box. And now you need to do your writing. You need to give me a sentence of why you know. They are what? What's a word we can use? Think about right here. Equal. Good. So I want you to go ahead and write the word equal. Okay. Remember, every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Okay, guys, this is your word problem for the day. Have a great day.